On a sunlit rooftop cafe, a barista reveals she can taste sounds, brewing coffee that hums with the tune it tastes. As steam swirls, latte art reshapes itself into musical notes, a living soundtrack poured into cups. Experts explain this rare cross of senses, a form of synesthesia that makes flavor linked to rhythm in a way few experience. She first noticed it after a loud festival, choosing coffee to quiet her senses and turning chaos into calm. If senses can intertwine like this, what other everyday moments hold a hidden music waiting to be tasted?